there's no way you can't see good to this is something great and life-changing moment, of course. Mongaboni then I don't know. Please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name, your surname, no good. Why are you guys here? And tell us more about yourselves.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Gopotso Hadebe. I'm the founder and director of Abundance and Light. We're a non-profit that empowers and supports women and children that are gender-based violence survivors and victims. So we're here today to support girls. Our non-profit is working to achieve SDG 5, which is empowering women and working towards gender equality. So we're here to empower the girls with period positivity, making them view and understand their bodies, and basically empower them and make sure that they are aware that they can do anything and everything that they put themselves and their minds to.
That's nice. So, of course, as you said that you came here to support the women. How are you finding the environment, and how do you think this whole thing is changing the women's football career?
This is such a beautiful initiative, and hence we're part of it. We don't have as many women football teams in our country and just in many provinces. So it's beautiful that we have organizations that are as passionate as our partners, who came together and actually led this vision and brought it to life. So all the football teams that are here, many girls come from different backgrounds and they need to get out of the streets and actually be in such activities. So this is a beautiful initiative to be part of, and it's something that we do definitely need to advance and have more women participate in.
So what are a few words that you can say to your younger self?
Baby girl, keep shining, and you've been doing so amazing to get to the future. So love this for you, and keep on supporting other girls.
Okay, please tell us where we can get you and other people who are watching, where they can get you.
Okay, you can visit our website, www.abundanceandlight.org.za, and you can follow us on social media, where we're on Instagram, we're on X, we're on LinkedIn, we're on Facebook as Abundance and Light. On Instagram, we're at abundance_light. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Cheers.